Let's take a look at the recipe for this issues dish. Wash and peel 150 grams of carrots, then cut them into pieces. Then, cook the carrots in a pot for 5 to 10 minutes until they are cooked, and then remove and set aside. Wash 250 grams of apples, peel them, remove the core, and cut them into pieces. Peel and cut 300 grams of oranges into pieces, and set them aside. Squeeze 50 grams of lemon for lemon juice and set aside. Pour the prepared carrot pieces, orange pieces, apple pieces, and lemon juice into the blender. Add enough water to cover the ingredients and blend until smooth.